Hello, friends. If you're feeling stuck in life, maybe caught in a cycle that feels unbreakable, let's talk about something powerful, something that can truly shift the way you see yourself and your place in the world. You see, feeling trapped or stagnant often comes down to one thing: how we see ourselves and our circumstances. We believe that things are a certain way, and because of that belief, they tend to remain as they are. But here's the key: your experience of life is a reflection of your inner world, the concept you hold of yourself. If you can shift that concept, if you can see yourself differently, life around you must change too. Imagine this: your thoughts, beliefs, and feelings are like a blueprint for your reality. Every single day, what you think about yourself, what you feel about your situation, and how you believe the world works around you is shaping what you experience. It's like a cycle that keeps going until you choose to change it. Now, you may be thinking, but how do I change my beliefs, my inner world, if I've been stuck in these patterns for so long? The answer is surprisingly simple: by deliberately choosing a new concept of yourself, and then living as if that concept were already true. To move out of feeling stuck, you need to start with the awareness that everything you experience originates from within. The experiences you've been having up to this point, especially those that make you feel trapped or restricted, are tied to what you've been thinking and believing about yourself and your life. So, the moment you understand that changing your concept of yourself changes your reality, you're no longer truly stuck, you've just been unaware of your creative power. Consider the person you dream of becoming or the life you wish to live. See it in your mind, feel it in your heart, and hold that image firmly. This isn't about wishing or hoping, this is about consciously embodying a new self-concept. Think about the qualities of that version of yourself. Is this version confident, calm, successful? Does this version of you see the world as a place full of opportunity? You must begin to feel that way now, to choose that version of yourself in this moment, regardless of what your senses are telling you about your current reality. It's like planting a seed. You don't see immediate results, but with time, it grows and bears fruit. The same is true of your inner concept. When you persist in thinking, feeling, and acting as the person you desire to be, those actions become like water and sunlight to your new identity. And gradually, your reality shifts to match that inner state. You see, each day presents an opportunity to consciously affirm the person you want to be. Instead of affirming what feels wrong or lacking in your life, direct your attention toward the life you wish to create. Take a moment to pause and visualize what that life looks like in detail. Close your eyes, see yourself living in it, and feel the satisfaction of that state as if it were happening now. In doing so, you begin to embody a new state of being. This new state will then attract circumstances, people, and experiences that align with it. This process isn't about ignoring reality, it's about understanding that reality is fluid. Every thought, every belief, every feeling is a building block for what's to come. So, when you feel stuck, take it as a signal to turn inward. Ask yourself, what am I believing about myself? What concept of myself am I holding on to? Often, you'll find that these beliefs are rooted in past experiences or opinions that you might not even fully resonate with anymore. Recognize them, and then let them go. Deciding to embody a new version of yourself is liberating because you're no longer tied to your past. Instead of allowing old habits or past experiences to define who you are, you consciously choose a new concept of self that resonates with the life you desire. And once you've chosen this new version, let your actions follow. If you see yourself as a confident person, ask yourself how a confident person would respond to situations you encounter. How would they walk? How would they speak? The more you practice these small changes, the more natural they become. In truth, you're always embodying some concept of yourself, whether consciously or unconsciously. So why not make it one that serves you, one that aligns with your dreams and aspirations? When you become aware of this, life begins to feel less like a trap and more like a canvas on which you can paint any picture you wish. And remember, there's no rush. Progress is gradual, and each step is part of a journey towards realizing a fuller, more joyful version of yourself. And as you make these changes, keep reminding yourself that you are not a prisoner of circumstances. You are the creator of them. You have the ability to shift from a feeling of being stuck to a feeling of liberation. This liberation doesn't come from anything external, it comes from within. It's subtle, quiet, knowing that you are the master of your fate, the captain of your soul, as they say. Each day, no matter how small the steps may seem, you're building a new reality. Every time you choose a new thought, a new feeling, or a new belief, you're stepping into the life you wish to create. The past has no power over you unless you allow it to. And the present is simply the result of what you believed yesterday. So, use today to create a better tomorrow. There may be moments when doubt creeps in, when old habits or fears seem to pull you back. When that happens, remind yourself that it's all part of the process. Change can feel uncomfortable at first because it challenges what you've known, what's familiar. But stay committed to your new concept of self, even when it feels like nothing is happening. You are planting seeds, and with patience, you will see them grow. And in those moments when you feel the weight of old beliefs pressing in, return to the vision of who you wish to be. Take a breath, close your eyes, and immerse yourself in that feeling again. Visualize the joy, the freedom, the sense of accomplishment as if it were already here. When you open your eyes, carry that feeling with you, let it guide your actions, your words, and your responses throughout the day. This process of change is powerful because it shifts you from feeling helpless to feeling empowered. You're not waiting for something outside of you to change, you're becoming the change itself. And once you realize this, you'll find that the feeling of being stuck was an illusion all along. Life is fluid, constantly moving and shifting, and you're at the center of that movement, shaping it with every thought and belief. The key here is persistence. Just as it took time to develop the beliefs that may have kept you feeling stuck, it takes time to cultivate the beliefs that will set you free. But every moment is an opportunity to reinforce this new state. So, think of each day as a fresh chance to embody your ideal self, no matter how the day started or how it's unfolding. Keep choosing that higher concept of yourself, keep visualizing, keep feeling the life you wish to create, and know that you're constantly moving toward it. With every step, you're aligning your inner world to the reality you want to experience. In these moments, it's helpful to keep reminding yourself that every step forward counts, no matter how small it may seem. Growth is often gradual, and results come in ways you might not initially recognize. But trust in the process and keep moving in a direction that brings fulfillment. When you're consistent with this practice, you'll eventually find that your life has shifted toward greater alignment with your inner aspirations. It's clear that finding moments in life starts from within. Every day you have the chance to direct your focus toward possibilities and experiences that inspire you. By choosing thoughts that empower you and taking small steps aligned with your inner vision, you create momentum. Life responds in ways that reinforce your commitment to personal growth, bringing you closer to a sense of clarity in purpose. The process may not always be easy, but the rewards come through a deepened connection with who you truly are. If you found value in this conversation, please take a moment to show your support by hitting that like button. This simple gesture not only helps spread these ideas but also encourages more content focused on personal transformation. And while you're here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Together, we're exploring a space for growth and inspiration that welcomes everyone on a path to self-discovery. Your subscription helps keep this space vibrant and alive, bringing these messages to more people who are seeking a shift in their own lives. If you feel these insights have made a positive impact, share this message by subscribing. It's one small way to support continued growth in your own life. Every subscription builds a network of ideas and insights that can uplift others as well. Thank you for watching, and let's stay connected for more ways to align our lives with our highest potential.